Hi everyone, I'm Beyonce Faye Baraquel. Beyonce, hindi artist, pero pangalan pa lang kabog na. Fourth year nursing student from Calamba Doctors College at tatakbo po ako bilang social media manager at kung hindi man papala rin, maglalakad na lang ako. Saan? Syempre sa stage, sa graduation ko. Ano ka ba? Charas lang. So, yung bakit nga ba ako? So, alam ko po yung pagiging social media is hindi lang po siya basta-basta post lang ng picture, tapos maglalagay ng caption ng feeling cute, might delete later. Hindi po ganyan. Hindi tayo gaganyan. O kaya naman, bahala na si, AI, o kaya si Canva, magaling naman yung mag-edit. O, hindi yun ganyan. It's about creating content that connects. Content na may saysay, may impact, at syempre meron ding kaunting kilignes at matututunan tayo. Yes, I'm a graduating nursing student and yes, busy talagang fourth year life at nakakapagod talaga siya But I believe if kaya ko magsulat ng case study, NCP, drug study o kahit ano man yan habang nagka-cry-cry ako, kaya ko rin mag-schedule ng post habang naka-duty. Multitasking queen. Joke lang. Ang daming sinasabi. So, kidding aside, so as someone who loves writing captions, I make sure you guys na hindi lang siya tama sa grammar, kundi tama din sa heart. Joke lang. So, kung ako man ang mapipili nyo, gusto ko lang maglabas ng content gaya ng caption contest, o kaya naman, if hindi na mga busy, pwede din tayong maglagay ng mga late night talk with Nightingales, o kaya naman pwede din tayo ng real talk dito guys sa IG. Gusto nyo yan, no? Charot. So I'm confident po na I'm bringing funny and meaningful content. So guys, vote wisely. Vote someone who will represent you not just on stage but also on screen. So once again, I'm Beyonce Faye Baraquel, nurse by profession, color by personality, and future social media manager by passion. Anyway, ball.